Day of the 9th of May. This is my new project. 2011 Harley Tri Glide. Here's why I bought it. You can see that's 2,082 miles. I just got back from the dealership. That's the actual mileage. And of course it passed inspection with flying colors. It's an Ultra series, so it's got all the bells and whistles. It's set up for intercom system, everything. It's 100% stock except for this rubber covering on the front of each fender, and it's absolutely filthy. Man apologized at least a dozen times for not having it clean. I said, don't worry about it. And I said, the reason I called you about it is because your wife told my wife it was for sale. That's the only reason. You didn't know I was going to call you, so don't worry about it. I got original toolkit that came with it, which is kind of a joke. Does have the original owner's manual. Sets of keys, etc. One of the first things that's going to get changed is this gas cap cover with lock. New one's over there, switching over to a straight push button in case the key to the gas cap is lost during a trip. I'm not completely stranded. Of course, I'll completely service it. You know, front to back, all three-hole oil change, of course. The only cosmetic issues, boot heel rubs, and I'm pretty sure those will polish out with a good chrome polish. And like I said, I took it down to the Harley shop, and all the thing they said is, Amos, you always find the best damn deals of anybody. And again, this wasn't on me. This is my wife that found this one for me. One owner in the past had added the foot pegs, and the story I got was a man bought it and died a month later. It stayed with his estate for 8 years, and then they finally let a dealership buy it. Man I bought it from the dealership, I believe in North Dakota. It said so on the title. Montana. And then he didn't write it because his wife couldn't tolerate the rear seat or the passenger seat because it's too uncomfortable for her. So it never got written. He put approximately 1,800 miles on it in 2.5 years. Straight air-cooled engine. It does have an oil cooler down there, but it's an air-cooled engine, not the hybrid engine that's fluid and air-cooled. Fluid on the top, air-cooled every place else. Checked with Harley. They can do one hell of a performance upgrade on this engine. It's got a 103 in it. That will increase horsepower by 50%, increase torque by 50%. And they ain't giving that away, but I told them I would make a decision until November. Don't order anything until I cut them loose. And yeah, it's got all the bells and whistles of your standard Ultra, and except it's Tri Glide. She's sweet. So as I start getting doodads, I'll show you what I'm adding to it. Derby cover, the light smoke colored windscreen, fuel cap cover, of course. does have factory pinstriping. Also bringing in a high-end luggage rack for the back. You're putting that on, makes a good handle if nothing else. It's already got the chrome rear bumper. Engine wise, well, it's pretty much 99.9% stock right now. It's got a decent sound, but it don't sound like a Harley, but yet. Anyway, that's all for this one until I get more to post. Thank you.